Hello, this is Karl-James Langford of Archaeology Cymru. This is one of my many video logs. This is looking at a very interesting site known as the Hill of Many Stains. And that's basically what it is, a hill with many stones on it. The stones existing at the site today, there's just over 200 of them. There were apparently hundreds of them at one point, hundreds more. And the site is seen to be a great enigma. By reading the notice board, you will be mistaken in the belief that these are actually from the period of the Picts, 1,500 years ago. But the published information on the internet tells us that they were from the Bronze Age, 4,000 years ago. Basically, the collection of stones that you see in front of you is in endless rows, up to 20 rows, but there were many rows of stones at one point in the past. They drape on the hill, and their true meaning in the current moorland is completely unknown. Site hasn't really been understood, hasn't been excavated, and greatly neglected by archaeologists and their study. Some people believe that they are markers for Picts 1,500 years ago. Some believe that they are from the Bronze Age and they indicate some kind of wonderful Bronze Age activity, looking at astronomy, looking at sunsets and all that gump that goes with the Bronze Age. But overall, all these mini liths or mini glyphs, as opposed to monoliths, these miniature rows of stones, most of them stand no more than about half a metre above the surface horizon, as you can see it today. And maybe in the past they were more or less submerged by the soils and they just poked out of the surface. But the past was another time. The past, whenever these were being created, was a past with great agriculture, great trees, great landscape. And today they remain in moorland. They are to be found in a very remote part of Scotland, Caithness and northern Sutherland, very close to John O'Groats. This site is well worth a visit, can be seen just off the beaten track, and watch this video before you see it, because what you see now is what you see on site. But if you come up with any more ideas what this site was used for, please let me know. This is Karl-James Langford of Archaeology Cymru. Thank you very much.